Hello. Now, now this video we will do class ninth NCRT Maths Chapter 3 Coordinate Geometry Exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. Okay? Exercise 3.3. In which quadrant or which axis do each point -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2, and -3, -5 lie? Okay? So verify your answer by locating them in a Cartesian plane. So first of all, now here we will do so uh, in which quadrant. So start from here. This is the first quadrant. It means this is first quadrant. It means what is this is plus plus. Okay, so I am writing here above. So here is first quadrant, that is plus and plus. Second quadrant, it is minus plus. Okay, minus plus. Third quadrant, so third quadrant it is minus minus, and fourth quadrant it is plus and minus. Okay, plus and a minus. Okay, so in which quadrant or on which axis do each point -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2, -3, -5 lie? Okay, so starting from the first one, this is -2 and 4. -2 and 4 lie on a the 4, that is plus. This is minus plus second quadrant, so you will write here second quadrant. Okay, next 3 and -1, which quadrant? So plus minus, here is plus minus is fourth quadrant, you will write here fourth quadrant. Okay, next -1 and 0, -1 and 0. So 0, it means axis. So when 0, y axis is 0, it means it is an x axis. So x axis negative, x negative axis. Okay, x negative axis, negative axis. Next 1, 2, first quadrant because positive. Last one is -3 and -5, that is third quadrant. Okay, because minus minus. Okay, so let us plot it. The first is second quadrant. So first is second quadrant, -2 and 4. -2 and 4. -2 is x-axis and this one is a 4. So this is -2 and 4. -2 and 4. Okay, so let us, the second one is the second 3 and -1. 3 and -1. So 3 is here. This is in the fourth quadrant. Fourth here. So here is a 3 and -1. So here is 3 and -1. 3 and -1. Okay. So let us do the -1 and 0. X axis negative. So x axis negative is here. So here is -1 and 0. -1 and 0. Okay. Next, uh, next is 1, 2. First quadrant, so 1 and 2. So 1 is x-axis and 2 is y-axis. So here is, you plot it. This one is a 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Next is -3, -5 is a third quadrant. So here is a third quadrant. So -3 and -5. Here we will, there is a -3 and -5. -3 and -5. So -3 and -5. Okay, so this one is the answer of the question number 1. So I'm rubbing this question number 1 graph and I'm doing the question number 2 here. If you want to understand this answer, please pause this video and write this answer. Okay, so let us do the question number 2. Let us discuss about. So the first is minus 2 8, yani minus x axis minus plus is in the second quadrant. Okay, so I've been writing here the second quadrant. So minus 1 7, the same quadrant it is. So it is second quadrant. 0, it means it is not an x axis because the coordinate of x is 0. So this is an y axis. Y-axis. Okay, so 1 3 is a positive, it means first quadrant. Okay, 3 and minus 1, 3 and minus 1 is 3 is positive, positive minus plus minus is fourth quadrant. Okay, so it is confirmed. Now we will do the this one. I'm rubbing it and doing the question number 2. Okay, so I'm rubbing it. Question number 2. Let us do question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, okay, let's do the question number 2. So minus 2 8, second quadrant. So minus 2 and 8, second quadrant. So it minus 2 and 8. So here is the answer here. So minus 8 and minus 2. Okay, so here is a minus 2 and 8. Okay, minus 2 and 8. So let's do question number 2. Again the second quadrant, minus 1 and 7. So here is minus 7 is in 7, positive. So 7 is in y-axis. 7 is y-axis and x-axis is minus 1. So here is minus 1 and 7. Okay, next 0 and minus 1 by 2 3, x-axis but negative. So y-axis at negative, y-axis negative, it means below. So minus 1, so minus 1. So how many lines in between 1 and minus 2? This is 10 lines. So 1 2 3 4, and here is a 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so here is, this is a 1.5. In between minus 1 and minus 2 is 1.5, and the minus 1 minus 1.5 and 1 in between. So you will write, take the this one, anything in between is called, this is 0 minus 1.25. Okay, okay, let's do the question number this one 1 and 3. Same, it is in the second first quadrant because both are in the positive. 1 and 3. So 1 and here is 3. 1 and 3. Next 3 and minus 1. 3 and minus 1. So 3 and minus 1 is in this one. So 3 and minus 1. So this is 3 and minus 1. Okay, so you will pause this video and uh, write this answer. Okay, so any query you will comment in a comment box. Okay, so please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.